Hi friends, welcome to Botany, the language of plants, and today's topic is about Trentepohlia. So it belongs to division Chlorophyta, then class Chlorophyceae, order Catophoralis, and lastly family of Trentepohlia is Trentepohliaceae. So this is about systematic position of Trentepohlia. Now about vegetative structure. We know that Trentepohlia is a filamentous algae with branch. So Trentepohlia is a filamentous branch type algae. Actually this showing heterotrichous thallus type. So heterotrichous thallus means body differentiate with prostrate filament. So this is prostrate filament and another is erect filament. So this is erect filament and this erect filament contain many branches. So this type filament or this type vegetative structure, we know these are called heterotrichous thallus. In case of Trentepohlia, both type filament are developed unequally. So there are two cases. First, prostrate filament are more extensive than the erect branches. So in this case, prostrate filament are longer than the erect filament. And in second case, so in first case the erect branches are shortly spread, okay, and in second case prostrate branches are smaller than the erect branches. So here erect branch are larger than the prostrate branches. Okay, so these two type filament were found in the case of Trentepohlia. If prostrate filament long, then the erect filament is short, and vice versa also occur some cases where short filament are short prostrate filament are when present, then the long prostrate branches long erect branches present in this case of Trentepohlia thallus. So this is long erect filament. Okay. Next, according to their branching position or arrangement, there are three type filament present. These are according to branching arrangement. We know the types are, first is alternate. We are know that in case of alternate, branches are alternately arranged, right? So here this is erect filament and branches are alternately produced. If first branch produced from here, then another branch produced from in this portion, so alternate position. So this is alternate branching. Next is opposite. So in case of opposite, simple branches are produced oppositely. So this is main erect branch and branches are produced. If this is first branch, then second branch produce oppositely of this branch, so here in this position. Okay, so this type arrangement, filament arrangement, we are found in this case of Trentepohlia, opposite type filament. Okay, and third is unilateral. So So in this case, uni means one side, right, and lateral means laterally. So here, if this is a main branch, then the other branches are produced from one side, and uni means one side and lateral position. So this type arrangement we are found in this case of Trentepohlia. Three type branchings are found in this case of Trentepohlia filament. Next is, according to origin of branches, Trentepohlia filament also divided into two type. Okay, so in this case, in the first case, branches are produced from the distal end. So this is posterior filament, this is erect filament, and branches produced from this distal end. So branches are produced from this posterior filament. So this type origin is called distal end. And in the case of second type, branches are produced from the middle portion. So this is posterior branch, this is main erect branch, and another branches are produced from this middle area. So from here, so from this portion. So this two type branching arrangement according to origin of branches we have found in this case of Trentepohlia algae. Now let's talk about cells. So cells of Trentepohlia are cylindrical or barrel shaped. Two type cells we can see in this case of Trentepohlia algae. And cell wall made up with cellulose. So cells of Trentepohlia contain cellulose layer. Here the main interesting character is the Trentepohlia cells, apical portion of Trentepohlia cells contain pectose layer. This is also a identifying character of Trentepohlia algae. So apical portion of cell contain cap cell, and these caps produce from pectose layer. So if these cells make a branch, then this apical cell contain pectose layer or pectose cap, and this is a identifying character of Trentepohlia algae. Young cell contain a single nucleus, but gradually when it become mature, then cells contain many nucleus. So multinucleated cells will found in this case of maturation. Next is, each cell contain parietal chloroplast and without pyrenoid. So in this case of Trentepohlia, pyrenoid absent and parietal chloroplast are produced within this cell. Parietal chloroplast means chloroplast layings against the edge of these cells. So chloroplast present in this portion. Okay. In generally, chloroplast present in cell within this cell sap and in the center or side besides these cells, but in this case of parietal chloroplast always present against the edge of these cells. So these are parietal chloroplast without pyridinoid granule. And in the cell of this Trentepohlia, beta carotene, and which is orange and red pigment, are present in this cell. So this is beta carotene pigment which present within this cell, and these pigments are known as hematochrome. So hematochrome means within Trentepohlia, beta carotene, which is orange red in color, present within this cell, known as hematochrome. And just because of this pigment, the color of Trentepohlia's thallus are slightly orange or yellow type. So this is about vegetative structure of Trentepohlia. If you like this video, then press like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get notification, and share it. And thank you for watching this video.